Okay, so after opening this magnetic screen door by Flux Phenom, the cool thing is it comes with a lifetime replacement warranty, which you can scan the QR code that comes with it. It has very simple, easy to follow instructions. It comes with your tape and screws to set up. Here is the mesh covering that you're going to place above your door. Okay, so we're going to actually, I've already set this up, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm just kind of showing you what's in the package, but really nice presentation. I always like to show when I get a product for you guys how easy, because we all face this issue. It's got to be simple, it's got to be easy, it's got to be convenient, and this is definitely no exception. Now, let's check out and see what this feels like. So we were able to set ours up in our garage, and we literally just put the Velcro tape up top. We're not doing kind of the full screw and side panel exactly, but you can see that this has a magnetic strip here that actually connects the door. My wife is going to walk through it. So let's say you want to go inside, you don't want your dog, you don't want bugs, summer's coming, spring's coming, mosquitoes, gnats, insects, God knows what, but you still want that beautiful mesh to get the fresh air through. We absolutely love this mesh covering, and everything here, it's very solid, it's easy to open, it's convenient to set up. You don't even necessarily need to go the full 9 yards with all the screws. We absolutely love this mesh covering. Pretty much suitable for any doorway, any length, because you can cut the strip and the Velcro stick band that it comes with, and it completely covers our door. We're completely happy with this. We love this. Highly recommend.